This is the assembly instruction for the European-style frameless B15 cabinet. This cabinet comes in two boxes. UF contains all the panels and hardware for the cabinet body, and the other box contains the finished door. It comes with the side panels, the back panel, top strength panel, the bottom panel, the shelf, the kickboard, and of course, the hardware box. For this cabinet, we will start by assembling upside down. Step 1. Slide the back panel into the groove of one of the side panels and screw them together. Ensure your pieces are flush at the bottom. Step 2. Screw the other side panel to the back panel. Make sure the pre-drilled hole on the back panel is facing up. Ensure the piece is flush on the bottom. Step 3. Place dowels in the bottom panel and install the piece. Step 4. Screw only one side panel into the bottom panel. Step 5. Place dowels in the top strength panel and install that piece as such. Step 6. Now we are ready to secure the other side panel. Also secure the top strength panel as well. Step 7. Now screw the kickboard panel to the notch section. Step 8. Install the shelf pins. Step 9. Insert the shelf cam lock into the shelf. Step 10. Place the shelf on the pins and lock the pins to the shelf by turning the screw 180 degrees. Okay, now it's time to install the door. Take the door out of its box. Install the hinges screwing through the pre-drilled holes. Make sure your door is flush on the bottom. Use cardboard spacers to prevent your door from pinching as it opens and closes. And adjust your door on the hinge. Now our European-styled B15 cabinet is ready to be installed.